You'd expect the lightest 16-inch gaming laptop with RTX 50 graphics to come from Asus, maybe Razer, or MSI. But this time, it's Lenovo, and it just changed the game. Meet the Lenovo Legion 7 16 Gen 10. At just 1.98 kilograms, it's one of the lightest full-size gaming laptops on the planet, without cutting the performance corners most ultralight rigs do. For years, gaming laptops were all about brute strength, big batteries, heavy cooling, chunky designs. But Lenovo's latest Legion proves that power and portability can finally live in the same body. Compared to rivals like the Razer Blade 16 and HP Omen Transcend, the Legion 7 comes in lighter by nearly 200 grams. Even the ultra-slim MSI Stealth 16 AI and Asus Zephyrus G16 barely keep up, all hovering right at that magical 2-kilo mark. How did Lenovo pull this off? By making smart, subtle trade-offs. A slightly smaller 84-watt-hour battery, fewer ports than last year's model, and one decisive move: OLED panels only. No heavier IPS screens, no unnecessary bulk. And here's the best part: performance hasn't gone anywhere. Every Legion 7 16 Gen 10 packs Intel's new Arrow Lake HX processors, paired with either an RTX 5060 or RTX 5070, GPUs pushing up to 115 watts of power. That's serious horsepower, enough to outperform even heavier machines like the Alienware 16 Aurora in real-world gaming benchmarks. So whether you're gaming, editing, or working on the go, this machine stays fast, cool, and ready to move. Lenovo's design team didn't just make another gaming laptop. They built a statement piece for the new era of mobile gaming power. The Lenovo Legion 7 16 Gen 10. Light in weight, heavy in performance. A new benchmark for what a 16-inch gaming laptop can be. For detailed performance charts and our in-depth review, check out the link below. And if you thought Lenovo couldn't surprise you, think again.